This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Debbie Hamilton. Great two-story with an open floor plan on main from the living room to the sunroom on the main level. Living room has built-in shelves. Kitchen has granite countertops and backsplash with Samsung stainless steel appliances and tile floor. Updated half bath on the main. All bedrooms are upstairs and spacious. Large wrapped around front covered porch. Privacy fenced backyard has a deck and above ground pool with decking and stairs to enter. Gas line from the house for a grill. Some cosmetics paint needed on the exterior where the chimney was removed. Seller will not paint the exterior or do any more cosmetics. Interior has some freshly painted rooms. 50 amp plug on the exterior for RV. New roof 2019, new HVAC 2020. TVs and wall mounts to CONVEY and the 2 upstairs bedrooms. For more information, review the details below or contact Debbie Hamilton at 865-693-1111.